What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm taking you to Hawaii. So let's go. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. All right, we're going to Hawaii right now. Leaving Alaska for 2 weeks. Look at all the snow, it's crazy.
Welcome to Hawaii, folks.
Wait here. Here we are. We made it. Into paradise. Airbnb this place. Found that car marketplace. Okay. Today we're going exploring. Oh. We're walking down to kind of a secluded beach, you could say. I mean, not really, because walking on pavement right now, but this island's really cool. We're on the island of Kauai right now. Sand. Oh yeah. That's right. We're going kayaking. Let's go. You ever get people just flip instantly, like right when you get out there?
Yeah, especially when I push them. Nah, never.
Yep.
Nah, never. Usually on the stand-up. Yeah.
Oh, I believe it.
Okay, so paddle hard on your right here, so you don't bang that thing. Thank you. Fun. See you guys tomorrow.
Oh yeah, they're done. And flip.
Oh, watch out there, Ted. Oh, oh my God. Woo!
Oh God. Cool looking bird. Oh yeah. There it is.
Yeah!
lady was like, "Oh no, you have dainty fingers. We don't have any men's rings that small."
Size for you. Surfing. We catch these guys in action. There's Aaron. There's Matt. Look at that! Gonna lay down and die, Bobs! We are back in Alaska. That was awesome. Hawaii is an absolutely incredible place. If you guys haven't been to the island of Kauai, I would highly recommend checking it out. It's fantastic. It's a totally different world than Alaska, obviously, so it's cool getting out. Birds are really happy that we're back. What's up, guys? Yeah! And that's about it. Anyhow, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this video is a little different than my other ones, but if you did enjoy it, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Peace, y'all.